Hey everybody, it's Brianna with WTI, and this is the TB1200 portable power station from Best of Battery. One of the reasons I personally love this portable power station is that it works great during power outages. It is great to have on hand during emergencies. It has three 1200-watt AC outlets, so I can charge multiple devices at once. For example, here I have plugged in a robot vacuum, a 55-inch TV, a fan, an iPad Pro, a virtual reality headset, and an iPhone. Everything is charging well, the fan is working, and I have had no issues with this power station. Portability of this power station is another huge win for me. Despite its robust capacity, this power station is designed to be easy to carry, so whether I'm heading out for a camping trip or just moving it around at home, it's incredibly convenient and I can lift it by myself. It also has a car port, so I can use my car to charge this power station, and it also has the port in case you want to plug in a solar panel. All in all, I can use this power station to charge up to 9 devices at the same time. It comes with everything you need and more. So whether you're a camping enthusiast or you just want to have a power station for emergency blackouts, I highly recommend this one by Best of Battery. But that's just my point of view.